Imagine this: snow falling, wind howling, and your car suddenly dies on a dark winter road. The engine goes silent, heat fades, and your phone's battery is low. You're stranded, watching other cars disappear into the storm. This isn't a movie. It's a real risk for anyone unprepared for winter driving. That's why prepping your car for winter isn't just smart, it's essential for your safety. Waiting for the first snowstorm is too late. By then, shops are busy and supplies run out. Early preparation means less stress and more peace of mind. A winter-ready car starts reliably, keeps you warm, and gives you clear visibility. Simple checks, like your battery and fluids, can save you from expensive repairs and dangerous situations. Instead of panic, you could be the one driving confidently through the snow. Emergency kit ready. Winter prep is about control, taking practical steps before the cold hits. This guide will show you how to make your car a safe, reliable partner all winter long. Don't let winter catch you off guard. Let's turn that scary scenario into a success story. Here's how to get started. Under the hood, your engine works harder in the cold. First, check your coolant. Antifreeze keeps your engine from freezing and cracking. Make sure it's at the right level and mixture. A quick test at a shop can confirm this. Next, change your oil to one rated for cold weather. Thick oil makes starting harder. A fresh oil change helps your engine turn over smoothly on frigid mornings. Your battery is especially vulnerable in winter. Cold drains its power fast. Test your battery before winter hits. Most auto stores do this for free. Clean any corrosion from the terminals for a strong connection. Don't forget your fluids. Use winter washer fluid so it won't freeze, and top off brake and power steering fluids. Keeping all fluids at proper levels ensures every system works when you need it most. These simple checks can mean the difference between a smooth start and a cold breakdown. Don't wait for trouble. Prepare now. A little attention now saves you from big headaches later. Your car's winter heartbeat depends on these basics. Take care of them, and your car will take care of you. Let's move on to what keeps you connected to the road. Your tires are your only contact with the road. Tread and pressure matter most in winter. Use the penny test. If you see the top of Lincoln's head, replace your tires. Worn tires can't grip snow or ice, making driving dangerous. Cold weather drops tire pressure. Check it monthly and use the sticker inside your door for the right PSI. Properly inflated tires handle better and stop faster. If you face heavy snow, invest in winter tires. They stay flexible and grip better than all seasons. The difference in control and stopping distance is huge. No matter how prepared your car is, always carry a winter emergency kit. Pack a blanket, gloves, hat, flashlight, snacks, phone charger, ice scraper, shovel, sand or cat litter, and jumper cables. These basics keep you safe and warm if you get stranded. Don't rely on luck. Be ready for anything. Good tires and a solid emergency kit are your best winter insurance. Stay in control, no matter what the weather throws at you. Preparation is your best defense. Next, let's protect your car from winter's hidden dangers. Winter roads are covered in salt and chemicals, great for safety, terrible for your car. Salt eats away at your car's undercarriage, causing rust and expensive damage. Wash your car every couple of weeks, especially after storms, and choose a wash with undercarriage spray. Before winter, apply a coat of wax to protect your paint and make cleaning easier. Inside, use heavy-duty rubber floor mats to trap water and salt, preventing mold and rust. These simple steps protect your car's value and keep it looking good. Don't let salt and slush ruin your ride. A little effort now saves you big money later. Keep your car clean, inside and out. It's the easiest way to fight winter's corrosive effects. Protect your investment with regular care. Now, let's cover the small details that make a big difference. Small checks can make a huge difference in winter driving. Replace old wiper blades every fall. Clear vision is your first defense. Consider winter wipers to prevent ice buildup. Test your heater and defroster before it gets cold. Clear windows are a must. If anything's weak, get it fixed now. Treat door and window seals with silicone spray to prevent frozen doors. Heavy-duty mats keep your interior dry and rust-free. These quick fixes boost your safety and comfort all season. Don't wait for the first storm. Prepare now. A little effort means peace of mind on the coldest days. Take control of your winter driving experience. Stay safe, stay warm, and drive with confidence.